Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be going over a very simple recipe for a shrimp seafood broil. I've already cleaned and pre-cooked my potatoes and my onions with salt in the water for about 7 minutes, and I have my corn that's already cooked for about 5 or 10 minutes. And the other ingredients for this recipe would be some freshly cleaned shrimp. I've already cleaned them for you. And then I like to put some minced garlic, lemon juice, and Obey seasoning. And I will mix that all up, and then I will put it in the oven on 425. The oven, I'm looking over there, the oven's already been preheated at about 425. I'm gonna gather up everything into this pot and then cook that for about 5 to 7 minutes. And there you have dinner in less than 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Guys, I'm now just gonna mix everything up for you. The one thing I did not mention is I heated up some melted butter, and I'm gonna drizzle that over once I've put everything together. So I'm putting the corn in, and then as I'm putting the corn in, I'm also gonna do the garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm gonna finish off the bottle. Then I'm gonna spread it out, and then I'm gonna sprinkle. This is the Obey seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle that on. And the last thing I'm gonna do is drizzle some butter, some melted butter in it. Lemon juice, and voila, there you have it. I'm gonna put it in the oven and keep it there for about 7 minutes. So guys, I've taken the seafood boil out of the oven. It was in the oven for about 7 minutes, and you can keep it in maybe a little bit more than 7 minutes to have it crisp to your liking, but I chose to do about 7 minutes. I don't want it to be overcooked because I've already pre-cooked the potatoes and most of the items are already cooked. I'm just putting it in the oven to have like a grand marinated taste and flavor. Once I took it out of the oven, I placed it on the plate and then garnished the food with some Obey seasoning. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.